about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making the rounds round here. Oh, I've been trying to make fears disappear. Now I'm almost over after being in the town, you see I'm almost over you.